Okay, so you should have your little drone built by now, and your controller put together. What we're going to do next is connect the drone to our phone so we can use the camera on there to do stuff. So in your kit, there was a little user manual. Should have been one. It's got some pictures. The English isn't good on it because it's mostly Chinese, but um, there are these three QR codes on the back. We'll use the iOS or Android one, depending on what type of device you have. I have an iOS, um, so I'm going to scan this code right now and show you how that works. And we'll go through a quick setup for that. Okay, so now I'm in my camera. All I got to do is hold over the image, hit the deal that pops up. I've already installed it, but where it says open, you'll have the install option. So open. Once it installs, um, then at this point, you've got to make sure and plug your battery into your drone so it'll turn on. And so I've got my lights flashing. It's turning on. I'm gonna turn my controller on. And I've got to connect to the drone through the Wi-Fi on my phone. So I'm gonna go into my Wi-Fi settings over here and search for that. And it's the little Wi-Fi UFO is what it'll be. So it's connected. And then I'll hit play. And now I've got camera going there. Um, so now that's connected, a few of the basic things on here. Um, this top left, that button takes you back. So we'll go back forward to play. Then the camera up there, that's your picture. That takes your picture. The video camera starts recording. Um, that lets you go back and forth to see your previous photos and videos. Uh, the 30%, that is your speed. So if you have it on 30%, it's 30% speed, 60% speed, 100% is full speed. We'll leave everything on 30% for now. When you're playing at home, you can play with that some. Um, and that button sets a high limit. Um, then next is our gravity sensor. Then after that is our control sticks. So if you don't want to use the controller, you can just use the on-screen control sticks. And this is to tweak the little bars down at the bottom, and on the right side are to fine tune. If it's drifting, you can offset it with that. Turn that off or on, depending. And then if we push the settings wheel on the far right, we get some more options. So Rev is a camera flip, which we don't really need. Then you've got virtual or VR mode is the little window pane. So if you're using VR goggles, you can do that. And from there, of course, you've got your camera options. And then the little single square takes it back. We also have headless mode, which we'll get into later. You can play with that, figure that out on your own. And then gyroscope correction is right there. We need to correct the gyroscope. And in all actuality, I have no clue what the little squiggly guy does. But that's the basics on getting that set up. So get that set up, and then you'll be good to fly. You don't have to have the screen to fly. It's just nice to have, especially take pictures. And I mean, you're going to have a way to record yourself flying to submit it to me. So this helps. You can just start recording video, and whenever you're done, go into your videos. And today's the 15th, so 03/15/2021. Select that, and then you've got the video playback. I guess 3D just does the deal. So there's that. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know, and we'll get it taken care of. But until then, we'll see you later.